here from RV Living Life. Summer's here, clean shaven, nice haircut. Coach is shining away. All the snow is gone. Spring is here. We're flowing into that beautiful season we call summer. So today I'm going to do a few little spring things around the RV and get out the Blackstone, cook up a nice meal. I've got my wine-colored shirt and my wine-colored hat, so I'm good to go. I guess one of the first things we can do is get rid of these mats. This gave us something to shovel in the winter, but we'll let the grass get some sun again. There we go, that grass is going to take right off. Excellent. Basement heat off. Another thing I've been dying to do is shut off these tank heating pads. I think we need an RV mat here. Let's get that out. There we go. Alexia out here. She needs to enjoy this day too. Perfect day to break out the Blackstone. Perfect. So the sun is actually pretty intense. Oh, I hear it. Oh, there we go. Nice. Give a little shade on the situation. It's the first time using it this year, so it's nice to see it roll out. There we go. Screen here for the extender screen that stretches right out to the ground at an angle. Not going to bother putting that on today. But you can see we have all the windows open, doors open. What a beautiful day. Right, Lexi? Beautiful day, isn't it? She's enjoying it. Love that dog. She's getting hot. Pour a little olive oil. So all I do now is take my chicken. You can see it's smoking hot. The chicken's still a little frozen. So with normal barbecuing, it's very hard to cook chicken right through when it's thick like this. So what I use is the Blackstone steamer cover. Which is this, and it's great. So spice it all up. Give it a scoop so it's not stuck. All right. Get my water. how I cook chicken on the Blackstone. Because it's steaming like that, it just cooks right through and comes out perfect. Okay, I can hear it steaming away there. Actually, the steam has died down. I can hear it frying. So you want to make sure it doesn't get stuck. So every now and then you just go under it. You can turn it over many times as you want. You can still see it's all still frozen together. Put more water on there and steam it some more. So I'm going to turn it down a little bit because it is frozen. I want to slow cook it a bit. Time to check it again. Oh, they're starting to separate now. That's good. There we go. We got 4 pieces now. So I've got the heat turned down a bit. You definitely want to slow cook them. You can see how handy this smoker is. Not the smoker, sorry about that, the steam cover. Put some more spice on there. Oh, who are we kidding here? Get the big side open. Love this stuff. Today I'm using Montreal chicken. Definitely one of my favorites. As you can tell by the size of the container. Some more water in there. It's not quite steaming as good as it was, so I'm going to turn it up just a little bit again. And I'm going to have my glass of wine. Cheers. They say a glass of wine is every day is good for you, so you might as well make it a good glass. Cheers, everyone. Now, some people ask me why I don't close the lid when I do this. That's because if I close the lid, this handle gets really hot, and then I can't just lift it off like that. So I just leave it open. Well, time to kick back and enjoy some sunshine. Okay, time to check it again. Everything looks good. So now and then you got to go under, just keep sticking. Flip it over one more time. Normally it wouldn't stick, but the seasoning I'm using is kind of gumming up the surface. But that's okay. It greatly improves the flavor. More water. I usually go through a whole bottle of this when I cook a meal. And a little more spice. So a couple of them don't have spice on that side. There we go. So, since they're so thick, I'm just going to cut each one down the middle. We're almost done. Cut each one down the middle. Lay them on the cut edge. Give it some more steam. 5 minutes and it'll be done. Perfect. Yep, now they're just perfect. Oh, little piece fell off for the chef. Wow. Is that ever good? And there they are. Cooked perfectly right through. All super tender. Cooked right on the Blackstone. So, there it is. Looks fantastic. And that's how I cook chicken on the grill on the Blackstone. Gary Salo, rvliving.life. Today under the station cover I got burgers. And how I cook burgers is when I take it out of the freezer frozen, I lay it on the grill, cover it, put the water on, spray the water underneath to baste it, and when it thaws enough I cut it in half and it makes 2 massive burgers. Love it.